Okay, so I'm starting off by showing you guys what products I'll be using, and then I'm going to show you guys what the hair looks like before I start highlighting it. And here I am showing you guys how I parted the hair. I parted off the closure, I split it in half, and then I split that in half into two sections, and then the bottom half I just split that into two, and now I'm working on the bottom. So I'm just adding in the bleach. I'm pretty sure I used just about the whole container of bleach for the whole head. So basically I'm just mixing up my bleach until I get the consistency that I want. I want it pretty liquidy. I don't want it too thick but not too runny. All throughout the hair I'm going to do baby slices, which is like a very thin piece of hair, and I'm just going to apply the bleach to that. And then when I get towards the top of the section, I'm going to turn my brush vertically so that there's no like harsh lines. And then with slices, it might seem like it's not like a traditional highlight like the weaving, but once you put the hair on top of it, it's going to blend and you'll see like the baby highlights all throughout. So I'm just going to do that all throughout the hair. So I'm taking a section, splitting that section in half, and then splitting a thinner slice of hair, and that section I split in half. I don't know if that explains it well, but that's what I'm doing. And then as I go up higher, I'm taking this section and like teasing it up a little bit so it's not as harsh. The hair is processing pretty fast because I use 30 volume developer, so I'll be occasionally like taking some of the foils out and rinsing them out and then going on to the next section so it doesn't over process. And here I am just showing you guys what it looks like once the hair is combed on top of it, just showing you guys like a finished product of what the hair looks like with slicing. And I'm just continuing that up, and as you guys can see, I'm taking a thin slice, teasing it, applying the bleach. And I can't remember how long I kept the foils up there. It kind of depends on the developer and the hair. You just have to keep checking the hair and see if it lifted to your desired color or tone, and then go from there. So here I am again, taking out the foils. I'm going to rinse that out and then move on to my next section. I blow dried the hair so I can basically see what everything was looking like. And this is what the baby highlights are looking like, very subtle highlights. And now I'm going to start working on the closure. So I'm doing the same thing. I'm parting off some hair, and then I'm taking a section, and now I'm going to be weaving. I'm going to do very small weaving, not the traditional thicker ones. This is like the baby highlights or baby weave. Just like very small, skinny, subtle highlights. And I'm just going to do that all the way up the closure. And you guys will be able to see it better once I do the other side. And as you can see, I'm doing very close weaves, very small sections. And then once I take the foils down, you'll be able to see what it looks like. And as you can see here, I'm brushing vertically so that there are no harsh lines. And this is what the hair is looking like after I remove the foils. So now I'm just going to rinse the hair out. I'm not going to shampoo it yet. I'm just going to rinse it out, and then I'm going to go on into toning the hair. This is what the hair looks like currently. So I'm going to mix the toner together. I'm going to take 1 bottle of the toner. I'm going to fill up that same bottle with developer, so the ratio is 1:2. 1 bottle of toner, 2 bottles of developer. And I'm just going to mix that up and then apply it to the hair. This is just going to take any brassiness that was in the hair. It's going to take that out. And I left this on for about 25 to 30 minutes. All right, so I'm just making sure it's evenly distributed. And like I said, I'm going to leave it on for 25 to 30 minutes. And then I'm going to rinse it out. And now I'm going to shampoo. I'm going to shampoo with the generic brand of the Shimmer Lights Purple Shampoo. And I'm just going to wash that out a few times. And then after I rinse that out, I'm going to use this Argan Oil Silicone Mix deep conditioner and leave that on the hair for about 10 minutes. And then I washed, blow dried, and styled the hair, and this is what it looks like. This is the finished result. If you guys like this video, if it was helpful for you guys, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.